When it comes to gaming chairs, comfort and durability are paramount. The AndaSeat Kaiser 4 gaming chair promises to deliver epic comfort all around, featuring a highly adjustable ergonomic design, premium materials, and cutting-edge customization options. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply spends long hours at a desk, this chair aims to provide unmatched support for extended sitting sessions. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Right out of the box, the AndaSeat Kaiser 4 exudes premium quality. Chair base, seat and backrest. 5D adjustable armrests. Magnetic memory, foam head pillow. Pop-out, lumbar support system. Gas lift and wheelbase. Assembly tools and user manual. One of the standout features of the Kaiser 4 is its built-in adjustable lumbar support system. Unlike traditional pillows that require manual positioning, this four-way support system allows users to fine-tune lumbar adjustments based on their posture. The pop-out mechanism ranges from 3 degrees to 24 degrees, ensuring dynamic lower back support, reducing strain, and improving long-term comfort. Magnetic memory foam head pillow. Another huge plus is the magnetic head pillow, which allows for effortless adjustments. Made of cold cure memory foam, it conforms to the shape of your head and neck, providing exceptional support. Plus, it comes with a cooling layer, keeping you comfortable even during long gaming sessions. 5D adjustable armrests. The 5D armrests take arm comfort to a whole new level. Unlike many gaming chairs with basic adjustments, the Kaiser 4's armrests offer up-down, left-right, forward-backward, 40 degrees upward, fold 70 degrees inward, outward rotation. This makes it one of the most customizable armrests on the market, catering to different gaming or working positions. Stain-resistant, sustainable leather. The Kaiser 4's upholstery is crafted with stain-repellent leather, making it easy to clean. AndaSeat claims that it outperforms regular leather by 80% in stain resistance. A simple wet wipe is enough to remove coffee spills, snack crumbs, and even pet stains. For tougher stains, an alcohol spray can be used. Ultra durability. The anti-discoloration technology ensures that the chair maintains its sleek surface for up to 15 years. It has undergone rigorous testing, including 2,000 cycle Tabor wear test, 100,000 Martindale rub test, greater than or equal to 4 UVB light exposure resistance. AndaSeat has also ensured that the leather is solvent-free and VOC-free, making it environmentally friendly and safe. Adjustability and reclining features. The AndaSeat Kaiser 4 doesn't just focus on comfort, but also versatility. It features 90 to 135 degrees recline, perfect for gaming, working, or relaxing. 15-degree rocking mode provides additional movement to reduce stiffness. 6.5 centimeters smooth height customization. Uses an SGS-certified Class 4 gas lift, ensuring durability and smooth height adjustments. The high-density, cold, cure foam retains its plushness even after years of use, offering consistent comfort. Aesthetics and color options. The Kaiser 4 series is not just about comfort, it also makes a statement. Available in 10 stunning colors, including 8 leather options and 2 linen fabric choices, it blends seamlessly into any gaming setup, office, or entertainment space. Absolutely, the AndaSeat Kaiser 4 gaming chair is a top-tier choice for gamers, office workers, and content creators who prioritize ergonomics, durability, and premium comfort. While it comes at a higher price, it justifies its cost with features that surpass most competitors, including adjustable lumbar support, 5D armrests, and a magnetic memory foam head pillow. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting gaming chair that supports both posture and performance. The Kaiser 4 is a worthy investment, so if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.